We are back. This time we're in Croatia in a beautiful little spot. As you can see, we've got some kayaks here. So today we're going to be, I'm not going to be one of these, I'm going to take a little plastic boat. We're going to be paddling down the Zrmanja river, about 10 kilometers down the river for a national park. It's going to be fucking beautiful, mate. Obviously we got the GoPro, so I'm just gonna mess about today, have a bit of fun. Let's do it. This is where we're currently staying. You get to wake up to the view of the mountains every day. Literally in the middle of nowhere, but it's good. It's good. It's good. And that is my tent, the white one. So we're literally living right by the river currently. Get to paddle every day, guiding people down the river. But today is my day off, so decided to take the this bad boy, and we're gonna see how it goes. Some good rapids, good waterfalls. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So each guide has to get out and secure a spot, and if there's two guides, one does one spot, all the guests pass, then the other guide passes and the next guide secures the next spot, if that makes sense. Pretty simple. We're just out here. We out here, baby. Come on. So much better than the UK. So much better. UK is a shithole, mate. Pretty calm, pretty calm. Really is a beautiful river. All the dragonflies. Constantly hear birds. Look how clear the water is. Here we have a water snake. After this little bit of rapid here, there's a decent sized drop. That's the last one before the big waterfall, where we're gonna have to get out the boat and redo this bloody spray deck. God, I struggled. I struggled with this spray deck. I could not get it on for the life of me. It took a while. Little guest on the boat. Little dragonfly. He's coming with us.
Much more personal with people, show them how to paddle if you want.
Woo! Not massive, but it's good. Okay, let's go. So yeah, that was the last drop before this big waterfall, and then after that we got some good rapids coming up, and at the end there's a 3.5 4 meter waterfall, which I'm gonna have a look whether I'll go over that or not. I'm gonna get advice. I don't see why not. We'll give it a go. So this is the way we came. This is the new river, Krupa River. Okay, we are gonna park here. We do not want to go over that. Definitely not. Last year, you used to be able to run it. There was a line on it, but too many rocks. All these rocks all falling off the waterfall. So the waterfall's come away, so now it's not runnable. Apparently a couple guys from France came this year to come and have a look to see if it was doable, but yeah, decided not to. Fucking cool. It's fucking cool.
I have to tell people, break is over, we're now going. Slowly press your stop. You tell them where they need to stand in that pool, and you tell them that they need to catch the boat. Tell them as well.
These boats are a lot heavier than the pack raft. And I've now got to fucking scale some rocks somehow, so if we fall and die, this is where it'll be. Oh well, we'll be fine. Beer eat, mate. Part of the job. It's okay. We push the boats over the edge, then we collect them all in the pool. We push them down. Brigitte will catch them on that side, and then push them over to the guests on this side. The second half of this river now, from here onwards, is nice drops, nice rapids all the way down. We've got one big rapid, Sheena, and a big waterfall at the end, so it's going to be good. Nice and easy. Woo! Walk off. Nice. This is the valley. A bit more exciting, a little bit more exciting, I must say. So we got a nice little drop coming up here. Let's do it, baby. I'm not done yet. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. Unsuccessful. We did a little bit of a spin. Man. Look where we are. Look where we are, man. What is going on? Woo! Whee! Next, well, one more little one like that. So it's called Sheena. It's in 3 tiers. Yeah, it'll be fun. Look at this big boy. Just chilling. Just chilling. Okay, let's go. Come on, next we got the big waterfall, 3-4 metre drop, so we'll see if it's doable, hopefully. Let's fucking go! So that was the Ogre. It's probably the biggest drop I've done in a kayak. When I used to kayak I was like 11, 10 years old, so it's been a while since. But I thought, fuck it, let's just send it. And we fucking smashed it, mate. Light work. Good shit. That's the end of the river now. Yeah, no more, just flat for another 2k. And that's it. Yeah. Good trip.
Get out. I don't have the straps on, so I can't.
Oh yeah. So the trip ends with that beautiful view. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Woo. What a day, mate. Absolutely smashed it. Let's pack away the kayaks, and that's it. Day done. Bosh. Done. Done and dusted, brother.